importantly, the experiments conducted out there in space, whether they are life sciences, whether they are myogenesis, etc., which will of course not only be benefit only in the space but also have replications on the Earth. The experiments have been conducted by an Indian, but the benefit is going to be to the entire mankind, which means we have now set the first sterling example of Vishwa Bandhu Bharat, which Prime Minister keeps saying. So, and the outcomes, some people ask, of course, it has given India capability, esteem, confidence, and world also the confidence of larger scale collaborations. Of course, as Narendra was saying, docking and dockings for the next mission, Bharat's service station, and later on the Indian on the surface of moon. And he's talked about, I think 2025 has been a landmark year for us. We ended 24 with SpaceX, we began 25 with another mission. And now we have this. So this quantum leap has happened only in these last 3-4 years. And I think because you would be wishing to interact, so I will not take long. But what I don't know whether you have noted is that we, the Government of India, and therefore also the nation has laid down before it the award target of 2047 when India celebrates the 100 years of independence, and we achieve that coveted goal of being acknowledged as Viksit Bharat. But ladies and gentlemen, just 7 years before that, we'll have an Indian landing on moon and declaring from the surface of moon that took care, Viksit Bharat is in the coming. So that's going to be the